Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem from Grace Healing Homoeopathy. Today I'll discuss, as per my videos you must have seen, I will discuss the clinical cases. जो results मुझे मेरे clinic में मिलता है practice में, मैं वो discuss करता हूँ and then I relate it with a case and the mathematical symptoms of that remedy. Today I'll discuss a very interesting remedy, Chamomilla, which you all know, सबको पता है इसके बारे में. In relation to menstrual complaints. Now, this was a case where she was suffering from menses problem. But in Chamomilla, what happens is we have been fed that anger, pain because of anger. Everything starts from anger. Now, this patient had a typical symptom that the menses was too early, too frequent. And the lady was a very nervous lady, she used to become nervous very easily. Maybe husband is coming late, so she used to get nervous. The children coming late at home, she used to get nervous. A very nervous type of lady, suffering from menses problem. And the menses were too early and too soon. And the menses were profuse. She used to tell me that when the menses starts, on the first 3 days, she requires maybe 10 pads. 10 pads लगते इतना bleeding होता है and she becomes very anemic. She becomes pale. She cannot do work. She has to lie down. And everybody in the house comes to know that she has a menses problem. She had no problem with anger. A very dignified lady, a very sorted type of a lady, a person. And she had pain also in metorrhagia so much that she had to take a lot of painkillers, And the menses sometimes were, clotted and dark. So I prescribed some remedies like we gave the patient, like we have remedies like flooding with fainting, with trillium, semisefuga, pulsatilla. There are a lot of remedies, But because in our Mater Medica we have been so told that in Chamomilla the pain it is because of anger and very angry personalities, and they speak very violently, vindictive personalities. That is Chamomilla, angry personalities, cannot return a civil answer. So we keep on thinking about that. But I always say, as we have seen unprejudiced observer in Organon, you have to be unprejudiced observer in Mater Medica also. And this lady had come to me when once she told me that she had no menses for 3 months because her father died suddenly with a heart attack, and she could not cry because her child had an exam, and she had to be very strong so that she can take care of the child. So the menses were suppressed because of emotions. If you look into the Mater Medica, you will not see Chamomilla because we have remedies like semisefuga, as I told you, which cover most of the symptoms. So I prescribed few remedies for 2 or 3 months. I think for 4 to 5 months there was no change in the patient. While reading Mater Medica, as I always say, keep on reading Mater Medica. I came to know, I read something about Chamomilla, and you'll be surprised. In Chamomilla it is written, menses profuse in nervous people. Menses too frequent, too soon in nervous people. People who get nervous very easily. Suppressed menses from emotion. And all these 3 symptoms were present in the patient's personality, and labor-like pain in metorrhagia, and metorrhagia where the blood is dark and clotted. All these 4 or 5 symptoms, ये 4-5 symptoms, ये Chamomilla में लिखे हुए हैं, but we don't understand because sometimes we are very prejudiced in understanding the patient personality. My dear friends, I prescribed the patient Chamomilla 200. I repeated it 3 times, and the patient till date has got normal menses for the past 3 months, no pain, and she is much better. So this is a case of Chamomilla in relation to female complaints, menstrual complaints, where I have got good results in my clinic, in my practice. Do read Chamomilla female symptoms from Mater Medica from repertory, so that your application of remedy increases. You are not fixed that this remedy is given for this complaints only. This is my clinical experience, which I always share in my videos. If you like these videos, do share and subscribe. Thank you.